Get ready. Start. 1. Sealed tenders are invited by the State Bank of India, local head office, Chennai, from printers for the printing and supply of calendars for the year 2019 to all the State Bank of India branches and offices in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. Application forms can be downloaded from the bank's website under the link procurement views news during the office hours from 10th to 20th October 2018. The filled in application along with other documents should be submitted to the Chief Manager, Procurements, State Bank of India, Regional Stationery Department, Nungampakkam, Chennai, at or before 4 p.m. on 21st October 2018 and will be opened at 5 p.m. on the same day. The bank reserves the right to accept or reject any tender without giving any reason. Draft tender notice to be issued by the Chief Manager, Procurement, State Bank of India, Chennai. 2. Applications are invited for filling up the vacancies in the post of sweepers in the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly Secretariat, Chennai. Pay scale for the post is rupees 15,000 to rupees 50,000. Usual allowances also will be paid. Age should be between 18 and 30. The candidate should be able-bodied. Applications with biodata and passport size photograph should reach the Secretary, Legislative Assembly Secretariat, Chennai 9 on or before the 25th October 2018. Applications received after the last date will be summarily rejected. The Secretariat will not be responsible for any postal delay. Draft advertisement to be issued by the Deputy Secretary, Legislative Assembly Secretariat, Chennai. A man who was employed in a private concern and was riding a motorcycle near Red Hills was killed on the spot on Monday when his vehicle was hit by a lorry which was reversing. His son, studying in the 6th standard in a government school, was on the pillion and was severely injured. He has been admitted to the government Stanley Hospital and is receiving treatment. He was being taken to the school as usual by his father when the accident occurred. This accident has created gloom among the residents of the area. The Madhavaram Traffic Investigation Police have registered a case and are investigating. The driver of the said lorry has been arrested. Draft an eyewitness account of the accident.